Hello guys, it's me Emma, and welcome to my channel Wealth Canopy. Have you ever wanted to learn how to make money, spend wise, or just want to get a grip of your money here in Canada? On this channel, I will show you everything about Canadian tax, saving, loans, investing, and money tips, all in one that is very easy to understand. Let's get started. Is the AI boom a bubble? Today, we are comparing the current AI frenzy to the infamous .com era. The world's biggest companies are making huge bets. Spending on AI infrastructure is driving the current bull market, with billions going into data centers and logistics. Concerns are emerging, especially with OpenAI's projected cash burn revised to a staggering $115 billion by 2029. Is this future profitability guaranteed? Whenever money is spent this indiscriminately, the word bubble gets tossed around, just like the one that burst in the early 2000s. Is history repeating itself? What's different? First, these tech giants have incredible amounts of cash. Microsoft and Amazon each have over $90 billion on their balance sheets. Their cash hoards would be the envy of small countries. Deploying this capital is a challenge, so investing it back into the economy via AI makes sense. Contrast this with the late 90s bubble. Those companies were often pre-profit and entirely financed by debt. Today's giants are highly lucrative. However, the use of debt is growing. Some estimate $5.2 trillion will be needed for data centers by 2030, bringing in private lenders with relaxed terms. Now for the similarities. First, AI is celebrated and feared in equal measure. We fear change, even while complaining that things never change. Progress always uproots the status quo. Remember, British lamplighters were put out of work by electricity, but that was a net positive for society. Similarity number 2, immediate impacts are likely overblown. While AI can save lives in healthcare, it still relies on massive physical infrastructure. The steam engine was great, but its merit wasn't truly appreciated until the rail lines were laid. AI needs energy and data centers before it hits full stride. Investors today can take heed from the .com lessons. Human nature is enduring, and the most effective way to learn is often by losing money. The most applicable lesson for successful investing: don't buy overvalued financial assets. It was as true in 2000 as it is today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.